Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to mark a trouser with a slit. So right here you take out 3.5 and 2 inches. Then from these 2 inches you take your waist measurement, which is 35 divided by 4. What we have is 8.9. You mark it out, and then we'll give ½ inch after that as an allowance for the waist. So right now we'll go down by 0.8 or 3/4 inch, and then we'll connect the line together just like this. So now after this, the next thing we'll be taking is our crotch measurement, which will go down here by 9.5 inches. You measure whatever you have here, which is 11. You add ½ inch to it, making 11.5 to give us the slant that will be at this point. So after that, we rule a line here also. So right now we'll be getting the length of our trouser. You leave ½ inch up here for your waist allowance, then you measure your length. So whatever measurement you have for your length, you mark it out, and then you add 2 inches extra allowance for the fold. We rule a straight line. After that, you take out 2 inches from your main length, 2 inches by this way. Then we take the knee position, which is dividing from the lap to the ankle, divided by 2. You add 1 inch to the upside. You go up by 1 inch. The lap divided by 2, from the lap to the ankle divided by 2 plus 1 inch upwards. That's what will give you where the knee will be. So right here we've taken out 2 inches. On the knee we take out 1/3/4, and then the pocket side we take out 7.5 inches, and we connect the lines together. You connect from your 2 inch to your 1 inch and 3/4. Then from that place, on this 7-inch line, we end it there at ½ inch. You understand it? That's from the pocket's allowance, which is 7.5 inches. You will connect it there with ½ inch. So this is how it is. So right after this, we'll be taking out our horizontal measurements, which is the ankle exact, and then this is a slit trouser, which I told you. So we'll be taking out 5.5 inches for our slit, 5.5 inches for the slit, which is this way, and then you just connect the line like this. That is it for the slit. At this point, the knee is 19, which is this, and then the lap is 26, which is this. So connect the lines together. So after this, now we'll just create a curve on this part of the crotch measurement, at this part of the crotch, and that's all for the front pattern. So guys, you see how easy it is, very straightforward. So I'll be sewing this trouser also on this channel. I would like you to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post all the contents I'll be posting, you'll be notified, and you will also follow step by step on how to do them. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, I'd like you to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also join our WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group where we post contents. It's filled with tellers. So if there's any questions you have, any styles giving you issue to create, you can as well ask us questions there, and we'll respond to you immediately. So see you in the group chat, guys. So right here I've marked out the front. I mark my bat face, and then I'll be marking out the back pattern of the trouser. So this is how we do it. You arrange your material very well. After arranging it, then you place the back part, the front part which you have cut, on it like this. After placing it, you trace it out with a scissors. You trace out this inner line like this. After you've traced it out, this particular place is the zip flap, so you keep it very well. So right now we'll be extending it. You mark out 3 inches at this lap line and 2.5 inches at the ankle line. Then I go ahead to trace out the down part of the trouser, just like this, exact at this point. You trace it out exact to the knee, and then you stop there. So right now, on the upper part of the trouser, we'll be taking 4 inches this way upwards. Why this 4 inches is because your hip or your back side is usually bigger than the front side. If you take a close look at the human structure, you see that the back side is bigger while the front side is slanting. So now we'll take out our measurements, which is for the waist, exact, plus 1.5 inches allowance. At this side we take out 1 inch, and then connect the 1.5 inch allowance to the 1 inch you've taken out on the lap. Then after that, we take out 1/2 inch outside the trouser, then connect the 1/2 inch to this knee line here. So we just create a curve at this point like this, and then we cut it out. If you have any questions, guys, drop it in the comment section. I will answer you immediately. I want you guys to learn this drafting pattern very well. So we have come to the end of this class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a blessed day. Bye.